How do you succeed with Slack? I do get a few messages about people having a horrible time using Slack. They're inundated with notifications and it's out of control. I've got some short tips if you're new to Slack. So just keep it short. Whatever your message is, don't send a big long-winded one. Save that for an email, save that for a phone call or a face-to-face. Keep it really short and make sure you give context to your messages. Don't send a bland message that has no topic, isn't referring to anything. Always include some context in your message. Leverage that other cloud storage I mentioned. So your Google Drive link, if you're using Office 365's OneDrive, make sure you leverage that storage for long form content. And don't rely on the search. Trust me, I've tried this myself. It's a horrible way to try to index and recall things, trying to search through Slack, trying to search by a certain day. Get that structure, get your documentation right in your Google Drive or your cloud storage, and just use Slack for short form messaging. Definitely use your @here or @channel. @channel notifies everyone in that channel and they're all going to get a red bubble. @here notifies anyone that's active at that moment. And then people, when they do come along later, they will see the label on the Slack channel go bright white. So it's sort of like, hey, when you have time, check this out.